how to deposit money in Bybit using your bank account. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to bybit.com and then simply hover your mouse over assets, or you can simply click on deposit in the top right corner. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on fiat deposit, and then you're gonna have to simply choose the amount of money that you'd like to deposit, and then make sure to choose bank transfer. Now, as you can see, you can also change your currency. So if you're using USD, you can scroll down and select USD. Now if you want, you can also choose Hong Kong dollar, euro, and other available currencies. So after you choose the currency and the amount, choose payment method bank transfer, and then click on continue. Then you're gonna have to simply enter your bank account details, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.